Dhiane mbele weche mag tuke ni team mar AFC Leopards otimo rako margi mogik kawuono motelo en tuki mokwongo mar league. AFC Leopards nyocha osekawo jotugo buora mawelo ne ikruok mar league no endo. Jakom mar AFC Leopards Dan Shikanda kata kamano ywak ni kocha manowuok Patrick Usims manotero gi ka FIFA ma FIFA ogolo chik ni mondo chul Usims siling million 20. Captain Washington Munene kata kamano neno ka gin gi thuolo maber mar timo maber e season manyien.
It was, to me, Patrick Osem's let us down. We had agreed very well with him as our coach. We had made plans for the season. We had earmarked the players to recruit. He was part and parcel of the team we were trying to build. But unfortunately, he became a FIFA problem also him. Because him now turning his back and going to FIFA really was a very big setback.
For the past 3 seasons, tumekuwa na shida kidogo juu timu haikuwa inaweza kusign. So tunaweza sema tungeweza kucompete vizuri although tulikuwa tunajikaza. Hii season timu imefunguliwa, timu imeweza kusign. So I think tunaweza compete vizuri sasa hii season. I think watu kuja study wataona a new improved team yenye inaweza kucompete in all positions na kwa cup, both cup na league.
Tuke maiga ni mar rugby mar